Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2015 GMC Acadia SLT all-wheel drive, stock number Z9026X. Only 43,000 miles on this Acadia. Champagne silver metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seat 7 with a leather interior. Bucket seats in the middle row. Thick skylight overhead with sunshade. Rear audio as well as climate control. Middle row seats fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, and power liftgate for convenience. Ample storage behind the third row. 60/40 split seat. Folds flat easily. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. This SLT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, 10-speaker Bose sound system, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control, along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the center console. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Auto-dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Acadia has a 3.6-liter direct injection V6, 281 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires and new brakes. For more information on this Acadia, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.